Hello again. In this video, I'll be showing you how to publish your first post to your blog. So of course, first things first is you go to wordpress.com and you are going to click the sign in button and you are going to sign in using whatever email or username you used last week. Now, when you first sign in, okay, this is what you're going to see, okay, or this is what I see anyway. You guys were working last week with this My Site to edit and customize your site. This is the area. Sure, you can add blog posts and stuff from here, but if I click add, you're going to notice that what you can do here is actually not as user-friendly as what you can do on the dashboard. And I know I mentioned the dashboard to you guys before. So on the dashboard, what you are going to, or to get to your dashboard, sorry, you are going to type in your blog address, and behind it you are going to type in WP-admin and then end with the slash. That is going to take you into your dashboard. So your dashboard looks like this, okay? And again, you have to be logged in to get to this point. On the left side are all of the editing tools that you need, okay? We're going to be focusing on the posts. We're going to click on posts and we are going to select add new. Okay, from here, we are going to start with the title. Okay, you want your title to be something more interesting than my first post. Okay, but again, I'm just trying to show you guys the basics to getting your first post written. That's your title. From here, it just looks very similar to an email window, right? So this is where you write your post. You've got different editing features here. We are going to be working with some of these posts at a later, some of these tools at a later date. Right now, I just want you to get your first post written, okay? On the blogging bootcamp handout I gave you, you guys can choose what you want to write about, okay? You can choose to discuss what you're going to be focusing on in your blog, maybe your interests, something that you're passionate about, your goals for your blog, anything that you want to post about, you can post about. Make sure, of course, that it is school appropriate, and don't share too many details about your personal life or your location, personal information, those types of things. It is a public blog, so make sure that you're being careful with what you are posting and what you are sharing. This tool, if you want to maybe explore, from here, this is where you add files. You can add images to the post. You can insert a YouTube video. So if I wanted to insert a YouTube video on graphing equations, I can search. It will show me the ones that I can choose from. I could also copy and paste from YouTube, but let's say I want to teach you guys how to solve the systems of equations by graphing. I click on that, I select insert. You can see that it shows, it displays there. So this is a video on graphing equations. Obviously, you want your blog to be something more than just 2 very brief sentences and a video. But this little button over here is the preview button. If I click on that, it's going to show me what my first post looks like. So you can see this is where I wrote my first post, and I have this is a video on graphing, and then the users can watch the video on your blog. Okay, we are going to be working on adding links Again, I will not show you guys how to do that today, but when I'm back tomorrow, we will work on adding links, adding images, adding, I guess, links, images, and videos are all that we are probably going to be adding. But if you want to explore how to add links, you can do the blogging bootcamp discussing that. Don't forget you have to change your profile picture. You'll notice that my profile picture, if I click here, a professional photo of myself, so it's appropriate. It's myself at a convocation ceremony, so it's related to my profession. You guys can create the cartoon avatar. If you haven't done that yet, you are going to do that, and you will update your, you're going to update your image by clicking on users, and then you're going to click on my profile. And so when you go to my profile, it takes you back to this site. This is where you'll update your avatar. Okay. So yeah, that's all that I'm going to have you guys work on today. Hopefully the video worked out for you guys. If you ever need to come back to it and watch, then obviously you're able to do that. And if you have any questions, then we can always discuss them tomorrow and go over things then. Okay, so good luck and have fun.